Hi everyone, welcome to my chemistry class. This is Amit Kumar. Today we will discuss about the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So students, first we discuss about the based on the number of halogen atoms. So based on the halogen atoms, we will discuss about the haloalkanes and haloarenes. So students, in this case, we talk about the number of halogen atom and what is the name of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. So students, we are taking example here CH3X, and the second one also like CH2X and CH2X, and the third one is like CH2X, CHX and CH2X. Clear? So in this case you can see here carbon atom having only one halogen atom. That's why in the alkenes halogen atom is only one. So you can see directly the alkenes having only single halogen atom, which is known as haloalkanes derivative. But in this case you can see here one halogen atom present in the given structure. That's why it is name is mono haloalkane. If the one halogen atom is there, that's why name is monohaloalkanes. Mono means one halogen atom in this structure. If you are see here in the second one structure, so you can see students, in this case the two halogen atom attached to the carbon atom. So that's why name is dihaloalkane. The name is dihaloalkanes. So in this case, two halogen atom attached to carbon. That's why name is dihaloalkanes. This is also derivative of haloalkanes. In this case, you can see here the example third, three halogen atom attached to carbon atom, which is the derivative of haloalkanes. So that's why name is trihaloalkane. Clear? So tri means three halogen atom contact to the other three carbon atoms. Now come to the haloarenes. So haloarenes means halogen attached with benzene. So based on this trick, we will find the monohaloarenes. So first we write the example of mono. This is because in this case the benzene atom having one halogen atom, that's why the name is monohaloarenes. Monohaloarene. If we talk about the dihaloarenes, the example is like you can see here one halogen and this is second halogen. The name also change. The name is dihaloarenes. And the third one, if benzene ring having three halogen atom like that, so the name also change. The name is trihaloarene. Clear? So based on the number of halogen atom, we talk about only haloarenes and haloalkanes. Now come to the classification based on the sp3CX bond. So in this case, based on the hybridization, we will classify it first alkyl halides or haloalkanes. So in this case, the alkyl means the representation is R. Clear? So students, if you are taking the example like R single bond C single bond H and single bond H and single bond X. Clear? So in this case, the parent carbon atom having only one carbon series. So that means the parent carbon atom contact only one carbon atom. That's why the name is primary. So primary, that means you can say 1 degree. But if you are replacing the other alkyl group, So if you are remove this hydrogen and shift another alkyl group, so that means this is our parent carbon atom. So parent carbon atom if having two alkyl group, that means it is known as secondary. Secondary means 2 degree. Clear? If we talk about the tertiary, so tertiary means R single bond C, single bond R dash, and single bond R double dash, and single bond X. If the parent carbon atom having 3 alkyl group, that means it is known as tertiary. So tertiary means 3D. Here for the stability, we remember stability order for the stability order in the primary, secondary and tertiary, we remember 3 degrees more stable as compared to 2 degree as compared to 1 degree. So you can say easily learn 3 to 1. So students, easily remember primary, secondary, tertiary. I will revise. If the parent carbon atom having 1 alkyl group, that means primary. If having 2, that means secondary. If having the 3, that means it is tertiary. Okay, now come to the based on the hybridization, we will discuss about the allylic halides and benzylic halides. So students, allylic halides means if the parent carbon atom having the sp3 hybridization, clear? So that means the system is allylic halides, but the condition is that the next carbon atom of the parent is sp2 hybridized. Clear? So the parent carbon should be sp3 hybridized, but the next carbon atom should be sp2. Clear? This is also sp2. So overall this system is known as allylic halides. Now come to the benzylic halides. So benzylic halides also same. So that means benzene to the next carbon atom is the having halogen. So it is known as benzylic halide. So this system is known as benzylic halides. Now come to the compound containing sp2CX bond where X means FCl, Br and I. So first we discuss about the vinylic halides, then go for the aryl halide. So students, if the parent carbon atom having the double bond like CH2 double bond CH and having halogen on the parent carbon atom, but the hybridization should be sp2. Clear? So this system is known as phenylic halides, and if the benzene ring having the direct attachment of the halogen, it is known as aryl halides. So that is the major difference between the vinylic halides and aryl halides. Clear? So students, I hope you understand the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So I hope you understand well. Have a good day.